Hello everyone, in this particular lecture I'm going to show you how to install SSIS using Visual Studio 2022, which is the latest version right now. So first of all, in the Google search bar I will write download Visual Studio 2022. I will click this link and I will download the latest version of this tool, community version. Let's go to download section and let's see the available version of Visual Studio. So we have community version, professional version, and the enterprise version. So I will choose the free community version right now. Okay. So the installer. So this is the installer exe file. So I will click this installer. Let's click this and continue. The process has been started. So let's say if you want to download the older versions, let's say 2019 or 2015 or 2017. So you will write in the Google search bar download Visual Studio older version. So Visual Studio older downloads. Click this. So from here you can choose, you can download the older version as well. Like if you want 2019 or any other older version, you can download it from here. So now let's check the installation process. Okay. So now in this window, there are multiple sections: workload, individual component, language, which I'm going to select the English language, installation location. So I'm going to set the location as default. I'm not going to change anything. If you want to change the installation location as per your requirement, you can do that. So I will select the workload. So if you want Python in the Visual Studio, if you want to use the Python language, you can choose this Python development option, but it is going to take space. So I don't want to use the Python. So let's say if you have a requirement of using C++, in the Visual Studio, you can choose this, which is taking 7.89 GB of space. So right now I'm going to select only this data storage, okay, which is going to take the 4.48 GB of space. So I'm not going to select anything else. Installation component, all default, fine. Then afterwards, I have multiple options: install while downloading, download all, then install. So I will select install while downloading. Install, click install. This is going to take some time to complete. The download, the process has been started. It will take some time to complete. So the installation process has been successfully completed. Next, I'm going to launch the Visual Studio Community version. So I am going to click launch. This is going to open the Visual Studio tool. Then I will go continue without code. So from here onwards, I'm going to click extensions, then manage extensions. In the search, I'm going to write integration, and then I'm going to select this SQL Server Integration Services project. Click download. So this is going to start the download process. So since I already have it in my system, so I'm not going to download this. Let me show you. So this is the process is starting. Look, I will cancel the download process. Let me show you where this file is located in my computer system. So I've already downloaded this file. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to close this Visual Studio tool, close this, install this, click this exe file. Oh, so you have to select the language. I will select the English language. Click OK. Then click Next. Then click Install. So what you will have to do, you will have to wait for 1 minute. This service will automatically be closed. So just wait for 1 minute. Click OK. So now 1 minute has passed. So click Install. So this will take some time to complete. Select the product you want to install the extension to. So I will select the Visual Studio Community 2022 version. Install. So this is going to take some time. Just follow the process. Now click close. So the installation process has been completed. I'm going to click close. Next, I'm going to open the Visual Studio tool. Visual Studio 2022. So now I will create a new project. I will create a new project from here. In the search for templates, I'm going to type integration and I will select this integration services project. Then I have to click next. Project name. So I'm going to write first project. This is going to be the name of my project, and directory where I want to store it is in my E directory. And I will create a new folder here. Uh, let's create a new folder, SSIS. Select folder, create. So this is going to create my first project. And okay, so that's it. This is how you install SSIS on Visual Studio 2022 version.